Speech-to-text, or assistant voice typing, is an incredible way to speed up your typing and free up your hands. The microphone button next to the text input field is what we'll use. On the very first time, it'll ask you permissions to use the mic, and after that, you're good to go. Tap it and talk. That's it. Hey, what's up? I'm going to grab some tacos tonight. Do you want to join us? Tap the mic when you're done. When the mic is active, you can also say things like send or clear, and it'll clear the last sentence. Or say undo, and it undoes the last action. Clear. Clear. Undo. It's really good at sensing your tone and adding punctuation automatically, so you don't really need to vocally add out every comma and period. And the most impressive thing to me is that this thing is super fast. It's using on-device processing on the phone's Tensor chip, so it doesn't send it to the cloud for processing like some other Android phones do. Overall, this works really well, and it's a game changer if you want to speed up your typing. And that's voice to text on Pixel. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.